Imagine a world full of life, where the air echoes with the songs of birds, where herds of elephants move through misty jungles, where tigers glide like shadows beneath golden trees, butterflies paint the sky with color, dolphins leap with joy in the open sea, and rivers run wild, free, untamed, alive. This is biodiversity, nature's grand masterpiece, a delicate web where every creature, every leaf, every drop of water is connected, including us. But today, this world is under threat. Forests fall, oceans choke, species vanish, never to return. It's like the story of Earth is being erased, page by page. Now it's time for action. That's where the territory steps in. We bring people closer to nature through immersive jungle safaris, not just to witness the wild, but to understand it. We create awareness by sharing the untold stories of biodiversity, educating visitors, inspiring minds, and turning curiosity into care. Because when people experience the wild with their own eyes, they don't just see beauty, they feel its soul and what touches the heart. We fight to protect. This isn't just nature's fight, it's our fight.